we'll move on and welcome Aditya Agarwala, who's the Head of Research and Investments and Invest4edu for a technical check on the markets. Aditya, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, as we are discussing, quiet, sluggish, but yes, Nifty still in the green, up around 50 points. What are the charts suggesting for today, rest of the week? What kind of moves can we expect?
Good afternoon, thanks for having the show. So clearly it's a bit of a consolidation that's going on in our markets. So if you take a look at the way the broader markets are behaving, they also have entered into a consolidation phase. And the global markets too seem to be in a consolidation phase. And there is stock-specific activity which keeps on going. For the day, maybe markets could bounce back further from here as well. Market has taken support at 61.8% retracement level in the recent correction. That happens to be 18,150, 18,140 odd levels. So traders can look at putting a stop loss closer to about those levels and look for targets of 18,300 to about 350 on the upside. Again, on the upside is capped between 350 to about 450 on the upside. So I don't expect too much of a movement on the upside, but yes, range-bound movement on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty should continue, while stock-specific activity is likely to happen in the day as well.
Aditya, let's talk about the stock-specific activity, right? Because the index is very ranged, and as you said, the upside seems to be capped at 18,350 to 400. What would be the stocks that you would pick for trade now?
I've got a couple of buy recommendations, in fact. So one is from the FMCG space, Britannia. After a sharp up move following decent set of numbers, stock went into a consolidation phase. And today it's breaking out from that narrow consolidation phase. Volumes are pretty healthy. So my sense is the uptrend will resume from here on in Britannia, and on the upside can test levels of 4250 to about 4300 as well. On the downside, 4100 is a good stop loss. So traders, in fact investors too, can start nibbling into Britannia at current levels. Look for targets of 4250, 4300 on the upside. The second stock recommendation is from the cement SPAC. In fact, after a good consolidation and a bit of a correction, the cement stocks are looking good and upbeat at the moment. So Dalmia Bharat is something which is looking very attractive on charts. So one can go ahead, buy at current levels, look for targets of 1800 on the upside, put a stop loss at 1675 on the downside.
Okay, all right. Aditya, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your individual technical picks and the outlook on the market as well. With that, we'll slip into a break now. Up next, we'll be joined by Madhusudan Bhageria, who's the Chairman and Managing Director at Philatex India, to discuss the Q2 performance.